We want to attract them first. Basically, make them choose you. Kasi again, if inuna mo yung security, walang attraction, dito ka mapupunta. Friend zone, clown. We want to attract first. We want to make them choose you first. Okay? Before you showcase your security, if pinili ka nila, if they are attracted to you, then tsaka lang natin i-showcase yung pagiging nice natin, tsaka lang tayo mag-e-effort, yung maganyan. Kumbaga, we are choosing women who are choosing us. Kumbaga, ibibigay lang natin to if pinipili lang rin natin sila. Kasi again, these are investments. Gumagastos tayo ng time, energy, and money. Kumbaga, nag-i-invest tayo ng time, energy, and money natin. That's our valuable assets. Kumbaga, assets natin yun, pinaghirapan natin yun. So, i-showcase lang natin yun once we attracted them first. So, once they are attracted to you, and you showcase that they are safe around you, that will make them wanna lock you down. Kasi for me, it's the girl's job to lock a man down. Kumbaga, kailangan ko na siyang ipakomit sa isang relationship. Kailangan mapakomit ko na siya sa akin kasi baka mapunta pa sa iba. Kasi sayang to very rare. Again, very rare yung magkaroon ng gantong lalaki, yung mataas yung sexual attraction and also makes them feel safe. Okay, ang marami ngayon is these guys. Okay? Maraming nice guys ngayon. So, alam ko kasi isa rin ako sa naging ganyan dati. Also, naging ganito rin ako, naging bad boy din ako. And right now, I'm working my way towards this one. And I'm doing this video para malaman, ma-share din sa inyo kung paano nyo rin siya gagawin. Ngayon, alam na natin, itong truth table, kung bakit ka napupunta sa friend zone, kung bakit gusto nila ng bad boy, and ano yung goal natin na maging. Kung ang goal natin is to attract them first, ano ba yung dahilan kung bakit pipiliin ka nila?